Hello, fellow locksmith friends. Today, I'll show you how to use the KDX6 to identify Mercedes Benz keys. After KD's global launch of 5C and 5D key addition and chip definition functions, now it redefines the Mercedes Benz 5F chip once again. 5F stands for 5th generation FBS. Now for these keys in front of you, let's make a distinction for everyone. This key is an NEC key. This is a 3rd generation key. These two keys are 4th generation ones. These two keys are 4.5 generation ones. These two keys are 5th generation ones. Now let's perform chip identification for everyone. Now select the chip function. Select Automation Detection Clone. Let's first identify this FBS31. We need to select first. Here, we need to select Mercedes Benz detection. Okay, this is the NEC type, namely FBS3. Then these two are original car keys that have been programmed to the vehicle. They belong to the same vehicle. Let's first identify them and check the status. As you can see, this is FBS, then its ID, and its key position is 02. Now let's change to another key to check. Look, this is another key position, which is also the first key position. Next, let's identify this 4.5 generation key. Okay, 4.5 generation or 5 generation 5F. This is the 4.5 generation key, and this type of appearance is also the 4.5 generation key. These two appearances belong to the 5 generation keys. Then let's identify this 5 generation key. Okay, it can be identified as 5 generation. Welcome everyone to experience KDX6.